Hello guys, in this part we will discuss about what I mean by how to declare variables in C++. Variables are the logical representation of memory location in a computer. So if you save some data in a program, you have to use variables for representing that data. So in this program I am going to use three variables. Here I am going to find out the sum of two numbers. So for finding out sum of two numbers we need three variables. First two variables are for saving the numbers, and third variable is for finding out the result and save it. So I use the first variable a is equal to 6 and use the second variable b is equal to 5. Okay, I just use two variables a and b. Now I have to find out the result. For saving the result I using a third variable called c is equal to a plus b. Okay, now in this program there are three variables a, b and c, and find out the result of a plus b and save it into third variable called c. Now I have to print out the result. So using the cout statement, cout a plus b is equal to specify that result variable. Here the result is saved on variable c, so provide it. And before using any variable in a program, you have to declare that variable. In this program we are using three variables a, b and c, so you need to declare that three variables. So here I am going to declare the first variable. So for declaring a variable you have to specify the data type of that variable. Here we are using three variables that hold integer type. So here the data type used is integer. So integer is represented using int, and here int is the data type, and provide a space and specify that variable name and ending it with a semicolon because it's a statement. Okay, now here I declare the first variable and now declare the second variable, and here is the third variable. Okay, now in this program we are using three variables, and I declare that three variables before use it in this program. Okay, now I save the program. Now I am going to run it. Here we got the result a plus b is equal to 11. Okay, now here actually I using three declaration statement for declaring three variables. You can combine all these declaration into one statement. So instead of using three separate statement, I declare all the three variables in a single statement using the comma operator. This is possible even if all the variables are of same type. Here the three variables a, b and c are of integer type. That's why I declare all these three variables in a single statement. Okay, now again I save it. Now I am going to run it. Now again we got the result correctly. Okay, now here I just find out the sum c is equal to a plus b. So instead of declaring c here, I am going to declare c here in the c. This is also valid because here the declaration and assignment statement is combined into one statement. This is also valid. So now I save it. Now I am going to run it again. Now again we got the result correctly. Okay, now instead of using the third variable, we can find out the result in the output statement itself. So instead of using printing c here, I just provide the expression here a plus b. This is also valid. In this case also we got the result properly. So now again I run the program. Again we got the result correctly. Guys, this is how we declare variables and use it in a C++ program. Please subscribe my channel now for getting more video updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial.